Sabi dito sa comment, hello PX, just want to hear your opinion about genocide in Gaza. Can you share some thoughts about it? Are you pro-Palestine? I'm pro-peace. Look, both sides, Israel and Palestine, have done atrocities to one another. Okay? Mahirap kasi if we are going to trace sinong nauna, siya dapat yung maunang tumigil. If we are going to go back to that, it's going to be futile kasi since time immemorial, nagbabakbakan na yung dalawa. So what we can do here is, again, ask those two sides to stop killing one another. And then form a solution wherein they could live side by side with one another. Without extinguishing the other side. Kailangan yung mag-flourish, kailangan yung tanggapin that you should flourish with one another. Jews and Muslims. Kasi pag hindi nyo ginawa yan, well, of course, it would always result to you killing one another. Hindi natin kailangan kumampi sa kahit anong side dito. Kasi again, itong gulo na to, matagal na to. Instead of siding with one another, why not make them go back to the drawing boards so that they could live in peace with one another? Yun lang.
This is Pinoy Extreme.